Okay, good morning children. We are still doing the before and after model, more or less than unchanged identity concept. Now this is unit 1.2 of your On Sponge workbook. Now in this unit 1.2, we'll look at question 1. In an adult adventure camp, the number of adults in campsite A was 64 more than the number of adults in campsite B. Now using this information, we can draw the first model out. Now this is the comparison model. Camp A has 64 more adults than Camp B. Right. When 12 adults left campsite B due to emergencies, which means now we know that campsite B, 12 adults leave campsite B, which means the number of adults in campsite A remains unchanged. That means campsite A, the number of adults in campsite A, that value is the unchanged identity. Now what happens after this? The number of adults in campsite A was thrice that in campsite B. Now let's see how we can represent this in the model, which means campsite A becomes 3 units, campsite B, whatever that's left over is 1 unit. Thus you can see that 2 units is made up of 12 and 64. Now we must find out the number of adults in campsite A at first, which means we know that 2 units is made up of 64 plus 12, that is 76. Now how do I get 2 units? 3 units minus 1 unit gives you 2 units. Now from the model diagram, you can clearly see that 64 and 12 makes up 2 units. Now 2 units will be 76. 1 unit will be 76 divided by 2, 38. Now they are asking for campsite A. Campsite A remains unchanged. 3 units will be 3 times 38, and that will be 114. So there were 114 adults at campsite A at first. Thank you.